So here's a simple non-music theory explanation of flats and sharps. Flats are the little B's after a chord symbol, and sharps are the hashtags after a chord symbol. First of all, we're going to take it on a single note. So if you put down here, second finger, second fret, third string is an A. Flatten, the flat sign just means lower the note by one fret. So if that's A and you see A flat, it means it's one fret below where A is. Now if we go down to the open string, it's a G, and you see G sharp. Sharp just means raise the note by one fret. So that would be G sharp. But now you go, wait a minute, wasn't that A flat? Well, A flat and G sharp are exactly the same note. They're just written in different keys because of the music system sharps and flats, which we won't get into now because we're not doing any music theory. So taking that A, one higher would be A sharp. One higher is B. So that means that one lower is also B flat. A sharp, B flat. Sound the same. Now looking at that B, let's play the open B, the second string. If you take that one higher, you end up with C. But it could also be called B sharp because it's one higher. And that means that B could also be called C flat. Get the idea? That's the single notes. Now it's exactly the same thing with chords. So if you take an F, now that's the full 6-string bar chord version of F. If you move it up one, you end up with F sharp. Move it up another one, you end up with G. And of course coming down, you could have G flat. So G flat and F sharp sound the same. When you take, you've got to be careful with open strings. So if we play a D, now if you take that one higher, you could play D sharp. But look, it sounds odd if you've still got an open string in there because we've moved the 3-fingered notes up one fret, but we haven't moved the open string. So because of this, you need to find a different way of fingering the chord, and you can do it like this. And that's it. It's not rocket science. It's pretty easy once you understand what's going on. So now when you see a chord like E flat or A flat or F sharp, it shouldn't be so scary and you can find a way of playing it. Have fun. See you next time.